Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of event catering, so let's get started. Event catering refers to the provision of food and beverage services for special occasions or gatherings. It involves the planning, preparation, and serving of meals to a large number of guests, ensuring their culinary needs are met and enhancing their overall event experience. Event caterers work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements, such as dietary restrictions, theme, budget, and desired menu options. In the world of event catering, attention to detail is crucial. Caterers must carefully consider factors like venue logistics, food presentation, and timing to ensure a seamless dining experience. They are responsible for creating customized menus that cater to different tastes and preferences, whether it's a formal sit-down dinner, buffet-style service, or cocktail reception. Additionally, event caterers often provide additional services such as table settings, decorations, and even event coordination to create a cohesive and memorable event atmosphere. From weddings and corporate functions to parties and conferences, event catering plays a vital role in ensuring the success of various social and professional gatherings by taking care of the culinary aspects, allowing hosts and attendees to focus on enjoying the event. Starting an event catering business requires careful planning and preparation. Here are some steps to help you get started. Research and develop a business plan. Begin by researching the event catering industry in your area. Analyze the market demand, competition, and target audience. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategies, marketing plans, and financial projections. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Check with your local government to determine the licenses and permits required to operate an event catering business. This may include health permits, food handling certifications, business registration, and insurance. Comply with all regulations to ensure you can legally operate your business. Define your services and menu. Determine the type of catering services you will offer. Will you specialize in specific types of events or cuisines? Develop a diverse menu that appeals to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Consider dietary restrictions, vegetarian or vegan options, and customizable menus to cater to different client needs. Build relationships with suppliers. Establish relationships with local food suppliers, farmers, and vendors to ensure a consistent supply of high-quality ingredients. Negotiate favorable pricing agreements and build a network of reliable suppliers who can support your catering needs. Invest in equipment and staff. Purchase or lease the necessary catering equipment, such as cooking appliances, serving utensils, and transportation vehicles. Hire skilled and experienced staff, including chefs, servers, and event coordinators, who can deliver exceptional service and handle various aspects of event catering. Market your business. Develop a strong brand identity and create a professional website showcasing your services, menu, and contact information. Utilize online and offline marketing strategies to promote your business, such as social media marketing, email campaigns, attending industry events, and collaborating with event planners or venues. Provide exceptional service. Focus on delivering outstanding customer service and attention to detail. Aim to exceed client expectations by providing delicious food, timely service, and a memorable dining experience. Encourage customer feedback and continuously improve your services based on their suggestions. Remember, starting an event catering business requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for food and hospitality. It's important to establish a strong reputation in the industry by consistently delivering exceptional service and creating memorable experiences for your clients. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.